Let's go across to Kolkata first. Anirban, what have you got for us? I know Durga Puja is being celebrated at, this is peak time there in Kolkata. But what about the extra dash of tadka that you've got after India has won this Asia Cup? Clearly, the celebrations would have doubled there in the City of Joy.
Exactly so, Nikhil, exactly so. The celebration got doubled, and from tomorrow there is Shaptami, the Maha Shaptami. And before that, we can say that as the Puja committee is saying, that Ashura Badh, like demon, was finished. That's the message from this Puja committee. आज का मैच में जो जीत हुई है, क्या लगता है कि अब खुशी और ज्यादा होगी दुर्गा पूजा की?
दुर्गा पूजा के टाइम अभी इस मैच की खुशी और भी ज्यादा होगी और ये मैच बहुत ही थ्रिलिंग मैच था और बहुत ही मजेदार मैच था।
और तीनों में तीनों हारे पाकिस्तान। ये जो एशिया कप था उसमें 3 मैच में 3 मैच हारे।
इंडिया ने मतलब पूरे एशिया कप में पूरा डोमिनेट किया और एक बहुत ही अच्छा विन था ये।
तो आगे के दिन में क्या कहना चाहेंगे अब पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ इंडिया को? क्या स्टैंड पॉइंट होना चाहिए क्रिकेट में?
अभी स्टैंड पॉइंट के लिए अभी मेरे को जो लगता है कि इंडिया भी पूरे वर्ल्ड में भी नंबर 1 टीम है अभी के लिए।
Well, so they are saying that India is number 1 and no one can beat India in the field of 22 years, and that's the celebration got doubled and people will celebrate as the vandal hoppers are along the streets on all the night. Like this, people are also going to celebrate this win tonight, and it will be a long, long night. Over to you, Nikhil.
Okay, Anirban, thank you so much for those updates. Lovely to hear all the dhols that were being played there in Kolkata. People celebrating Durga Puja, and of course, the extra, the cherry on top is India's victory here at the Asia Cup. Let's take you now live to Lucknow. Samarth Srivastav joins us live from there. Samarth, I believe lots of fans there alongside you in Lucknow and celebrating this win.
Well, exactly, Nikhil. It's a big win. 5-wicket victory. It's a big win, and that's why Hazratganj is celebrating. The atmosphere out here is electrifying. First, see the visuals out here. The way the guys are celebrating the India's victory out here, as you see in the celebrations clearly, and you can clearly get the sense what's the atmosphere out here at the Lucknow's heart. That is the Hazratganj. I'll also try to speak to some of them as well. Can you tell me what's the atmosphere out here? How's the win for India against the Pakistan in the finals?
What?
What do you want to say about this particular win of India against the Pakistan?
It is the very compulsory win for India, and Pakistan is beat India.
Yeah. You tell me, what this win mean to you as we see the celebrations out here? It's quite electrifying.
Sir, what this means to me, rather than you see the situation over here, the people over here are so much in presence, or rather than they find us, the Indian team, Pakistan should work on their team. Rather than trolling us, they should work on their game. Rather than...
Are you excited with this one?
Why not? Why not? Everyone over here is excited.
For India.
अभी पीछे बहुत celebrations हो रहे हैं आप लोग को. Let's come across and show some visuals out here from this side at least. Come along with us as you see the visuals out here of Hazratganj, the dhols and nagaras out here in Hazratganj, as you see in the visuals, guys dancing on the tones after the India win in Asia Cup. At one hand, PM Modi congratulating and saying that it's Operation Sindoor on the cricket field as well. It's the message big, loud and clear from Men in Blue that it's a compulsory. When you see the national flag out here, people dancing all around here, these visuals clearly telling the story. कितनी महत्वपूर्ण ये जीत आप मानते हैं? कितनी बड़ी जीत है?
बहुत बड़ी जीत है. बहुत डर लग रहा था जीतेंगे कि नहीं जीतेंगे.
अच्छा, पहले शुरुआत में डर था जब विकेट
बहुत डर है. लास्ट टाइम एशिया कप हम लोग हार गए थे.
तिलक वर्मा के लिए क्या कहेंगे? तिलक वर्मा
ने बहुत अच्छा चेस किया.
और शिवम दुबे,
अच्छा
शिवम दुबे की पारी को किस तरह से देखते? शिवम दुबे और तिलक वर्मा की पारी बहुत सही खेला. आखिरी मोमेंट में बहुत अच्छा खेला.
एक नंबर तिलक वर्मा की वजह से आज जीत पाई.
में चौका मार के तो दिल खुश. शुरुआत में जब विकेट गिर गया उस वक्त क्या लगा?
तब लग रहा था नहीं जीत पाएंगे, लेकिन तिलक वर्मा नंबर 1.
आप चेहरे पर मुस्कान देखिए केवल. ये इंडिया है और जिस तरह की जीत यहाँ पर मिली है, द वे you can clearly understand the situation out here. The people are celebrating. They have the wide smile on their faces because it's the heart of Lucknow. That's Hazratganj. Not just that, even some vehicles out here, they have come here, clicking the videos, celebrating, dancing from their rooftops of the car. They are also celebrating because it's the win of the country. Though policemen out here doing their duty, but it's a big win for India because earlier also when India took on the Pakistan in Asia Cup, Pakistan
Okay.
got defeated. But this time around, after 3 wickets were fallen at the early stage, things
Okay.
were quite difficult for India. But later on, as you see in the visuals, they are happy with India's win. Back to you.
Okay, Samad, thank you so much for that update. Hazratganj is the heart of Lucknow. It doesn't really need any reason to party. It tends to stay awake whole night partying, but tonight it is of course a special moment because India have won their 9th Asia Cup title, more importantly beaten Pakistan, especially with the kind of atmosphere that we saw in the build up to this big